I love this K-Sexy when it's funny.
I know, I love it. I tried to make some fun designs for everybody.
Yeah, we kind of came up with some good stuff.
I mean, come on, it's
Ooh,
yeah,
nice
I
sweatshirt.
folded it. Yeah,
And it's so feel how soft on the inside. Well,
Oh, it is. It's like that fleecy
Good.
thing. Cool.
well, I mean, well, and the mariachis, okay, sexy.
that
Would you say that this stuff is truly remarkable?
This stuff is truly remarkable. I'm like grinning ear to ear. I'm so happy. I am so stinking
Every
happy.
change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to
Merch,
be.
so we can show everybody what our new merch stuff looks like. So,
March.
merch. Isn't that cool? So let's see what else is in here. So I think, yeah, this is a new T-shirt for Craig.
Oh, that's a weird color. Okay.
That's
I actually like it.
I love it. I picked that color out because I think it will go very well on you.
Okay.
And then look at these. This one's one of yours.
Ooh, polo. And look, we have
the Dawn design on the sleeve. Isn't that cool?
Love it.
That
is just bananas.
That is awesomeness. That's yours. And then I got me the same thing in blue.
Yay.
Yay. And then I got me, I think this is me. Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh,
We
nice.
have uniforms now.
And I got a mouse pad.
Just gotta open it.
I'm trying.
This is not good TV.
I know. I'm sorry.
This is not good TV.
I'm sorry. The unboxing is taking long. So my new mouse pad.
He says it all the time.
Yeah.
Yup.
And then let's see. This is Craig's.
I love that. KJ made that
I made
design.
this design. Isn't that
Yeah.
cool? The 3x3. I think that's awesome.
I love it.
Love it. And then I got this one for me.
Oh, I love that design.
That is cool. And look. It shut off my eyes.
Can't see him right now, but okay.
And then I got me this
Is that pink? Love it.
because I'm a unique unicorn. Mm-hmm. So I got me that one. And then we got.
How many of these did you
this
order?
This is a t-shirt for a
Oh,
friend.
can't see that.
That's a t-shirt for a friend. And then let's see what else have we got here. We got. This is for me.
Ooh, I like that color. See, I like that color. Oh, love it. Okay, sexy.
And then this one is a Craig.
Yay, I like that color.
Yeah, this is one of those colors that looks really good on you.
Yay.
And then we got.
These are truly remarkable.
They really are.
We have hats. We have hats. We have hats. Oh, I like that one. That's like a golf hat.
That is really cool. And then let's see here. We got all kinds of stuff in here. Oh my gosh. It's so much. Got all kinds of stickers. All kinds of stickers.
Yay.
Yay. And then we got. We have to get into the box. This is not easy.
Please stand by.
So,
Okay. So the boxes are like this big, deep flap thing.
which is fantastic for traveling.
for shipping. Yay! Go find your truly remarkable life. I love that design. Let me show that up close
Okay.
while you're unboxing. Go find your... It's really cool. I love that one.
You know,
really
this,
like
this
that
design
one.
was all you.
Yes, this was
all
That was her
you
idea.
designed that. I just took it and started.
It was
putting
your
on.
idea.
It was your idea.
Thanks.
And then, like, whenever we started, because
On occasion, I do have a good idea.
what's really cool about Spreadshirt is you can actually, like, even if you don't see like a shirt or a mug or something like that with the design that you want on it, you have the ability in there in the shop to go in and change it around. You can move any of the pictures. You can delete it. You can pull it out of a library and put the picture you want on something. So even like this mug is not on in our products.
Oh.
But you can pick out this mug and then go pick out that thing and put it on there.
That's
Or you can use your own design.
Or yeah, you can
Yeah.
you can even upload like the picture,
why would you
a
want to
picture
use
of
your
your
own
kid.
design on your for?
Well, but like if you because like let's say that you're ordering some stuff and you're like, I need a T-shirt with my nephew's face on it. You can just hop into our spread shop and upload your photo and order it right there.
And no one else can do it. It's just your order. Yeah.
Good to know.
Yeah.
Okay, sexy.
Amigo.
With our logo.
Hold on.
More.
My God,
And there's more.
Wow, just rip the box.
that is so cool.
Were you this way with Christmas presents when you were opening them? Had to be very careful with the paper.
Well, here's the thing. You don't know how far the tape goes over. I can't rip the tape.
I'd have been that kid that was like, "Wah! Rip it open." Oh, this is my gym bottle. I like this. So I've been wanting one. Go find your truly remarkable life. I love it. I just wanted one that was like a bottle because that seems to be like the best handy thing to have. And so that's perfect.
And
We got another
I like how
one.
the colors are on this.
We got a white one.
I got me a white one.
Yay.
Ooh, I like that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He wanted an all metal one, and I was like, okay, then I'll get the white one, so we just automatically know whose is whose.
You know,
I like
backwash.
how the colors pop on these.
Yeah, I know. It's really cool.
They really do. They look almost iridescent on here. It's
Yeah,
really
I know.
cool.
That's
That's it.
That's all?
that's awesome.
Wow. So what should people do, KJ?
So people need to go to our spread shop on our YouTube channel. Just right below the video here, you can see lineup of our merch, like different things. It's a selection, and just click on one of them, and it will open our store. And you can go in there and you can shop. You can upload your own designs. You can customize any of our merch with any of our designs. So go get you some merch. It's fun.
Merch.
Merch.
Okay. Well, if they haven't already, what should they do?
They should go find their truly remarkable merch.
There you go. See below.
Yay!
Thanks, everybody.
Every change